Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance Skilla.
When the song you just bust me, you know we must say. What do you want them? Give me them! Give me them! I want it to win. That's how me must say. I want it to fight. I want it to fight. I'm gonna try to girl like this man. Yeah. I want it to fight. I want it to fight. See, girl from KP Junior. And I'm trying to girl, yo. Onjo. Up front yo. Onjo. Lunch, fruit punch, stunt.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now listen this carefully, you see me? And have you ever, saw or do you know anyone where, act a certain way when it comes down to singing over music or songs, you know what I mean? Yeah, because really and truly, me just show you a video, or should I say a piece of a video where you hear a man trying to sing a song by a man that is known as Capleton, right? Which is a Jamaican artist, you see me? And to my point of view, this man totally spoiled the song in a certain ways. However, he's having fun. And that's the greatest thing, you see me? You don't have to be perfect in our singing, is it? But anyways, this video is out on social media and a lot of persons find it funny. People laughing and saying, what's wrong with this man and so forth. But, I'm going to say this again. The man is having fun, the man is enjoying himself, and that's all that matters, alright? So, big up to the big brother that we are singing over the song. You know what I mean? Yeah, he might have half key and he might not have the melody as how the song sounds, you see me, but however he's having fun. And that's the main thing. So big up yourself, big brother, and big up to Capleton, big up to the Jamaican artists, big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me just keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. Alright? Yeah. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?